Did you know that snoring is the hoarse or harsh sound that occurs when air flow passes relaxed tissue in your throat, causing the tissues to vibrate as you breathe? Two types of snoring, from the throat and the nose. The muscle in your upper airway relaxes, creating airflow turbulence, causing you to snore. But if they relax too much, you may stop breathing. Snoring can be caused by a number of temporary factors, such as anatomy of your mouth and sinuses, alcohol consumption, allergies, a cold, and your weight, or structural factors like excess weight around the neck or shape of your nose and jaw. But it could also indicate serious conditions such as obstructive sleep apnea or OSA, which possess serious risk to your health, like diabetes, stroke, heart disease. Don't worry, you can treat it. To treat your snoring, your doctor likely will first recommend lifestyle change, such as losing weight, avoiding alcohol close to bedtime, treating nasal congestion, avoiding sleep deprivation, avoiding sleep on your back. But for snoring accompanied by OSA, your doctor may suggest oral appliances. Now, oral appliances are form-fitting dental mouthpieces that help advance the position of your jaw, tongue, and soft palate to keep your air passage open, or continuous positive airway pressure or CPAP machine. This approach involves wearing masks over your nose or mouth while you sleep. And lastly, upper airway surgery. There are a number of procedures that seeks to open the upper airway and prevent significant narrow during sleep through a variety of techniques. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching.